Hey girls, welcome back to the Washington Henry Library. We have got some great titles to show you today that are all brand new. I hope you will be excited to check them out. We have so many books, so we're going to go ahead and get started right away. We're going to roll through them because I know you have a lot to do today. We have the newest graphic novel in the Magic Tree House series called Afternoon on the Amazon. We have the newest Agents of Suit book in this series. This is kind of like a brother-sister series to investigators. It's really fun. We have got a new Pokemon graphic novel. We have got a new copy because our old copy was lost, was falling apart, disappeared. The first book in the Wings of Fire graphic novel series. We have the newest book in the Sweet Valley Twins graphic novel series. A new series that I haven't seen before. Miss Letourneau saw it and thought it looked really great for our library, called Clementine Fox and the Great Island Adventure. It looks adorable, so I can't wait to hear about this one. We've got the newest Bad Guys book. We have the newest I Survived graphic novel, The Battle of D-Day 1944. We have got the newest Babysitter's Little Sister, Karen's Sleepover book. It looks really cute. We have got the first book in a new series called Cloud Puppy. I mean, can you think of anything more adorable than this book? I can't wait to see this fly off the shelf. We have got, this one looks great. It's a new graphic novel for our older grades called Wires Crossed. It's got great reviews. It'll be a really, really good one. And finally, when we're talking about graphic novels, we have a few books in a new series. This series is all about, it's called Girl Survive graphic novels. It's all about girls with famous events in history. So we have 3 of them. This one is called Kate and the City of Fire, Ting and the Deadly Waters, and also we have Gemma and the Great Flu. So I think these are going to be really popular and fun to read. All right, moving on to fiction. This is a book that I have actually checked this book out because I want to read it first. It's called Tree Table Book. The story is about 2 people, both named Sophie, a little girl and an older woman. The older woman has some struggles with memory loss, but she manages to recall stories from her childhood to tell to the younger Sophie. And it looks to be a very, very sweet story by the famous award-winning author Lois Lowry. So I'm really excited to read this week, and I promise I'll bring it back right away for the next person. I am so excited because our library now has the final book in the series. We have The One and Only Family. So if you loved Ivan, Bob, and Ruby, then I know you're going to be excited to check this book out. I've heard from someone else who has already read it that it's the best one in the whole series. So I'm excited to hear what you think about this. We have a new book called The Selkie's Daughter. This book, I had to stop and think about it a little bit. It looks really, really cool. This girl right here is part human, part Selkie or seal. And she lives in a fishing village, and there's just a lot of interesting things that happen in this book. So I think it's going to be really, really cool. I don't know, maybe 3rd, 4th, 5th graders, I think. Maybe 4th, 5th graders. I think it's going to be really, really good. So let us know if you're interested in The Selkie's Daughter. I think it looks really, really great. And finally, in our fiction section, we have a book called Out There. The story is about, the main character is a girl. Her father is kind of obsessed with aliens and Roswell and seeing spaceships. So it feels like the book is about like aliens, but it's also about the relationship between this father and daughter. So again, really, really good. I can't wait for you to get your hands on these books. We're going to move on to picture books really quickly. We have got a really sweet one called Just One More Sleep. All good things come to those who wait and wait and wait. So Miss Johnson, I hope you are excited about that one. And also, since we're talking about Miss Johnson, we also have this new book called Hope is a Rainbow. You all, Miss Johnson said it was a great title, and she really was wanting it to be added to our school library, so Miss Letourneau made it happen. I hope you all will check this out. We have got another book that's part of the Madeline Finn series. This is Madeline Finn and the Shelter Dog. All of these books are so sweet. We have got the next Penelope Rex book to add to our collection, Penelope Rex and the Problem with Pets. I love all of the Ryan T. Higgins books. He's a great, fun author. And finally, our last picture book to show you is called A Very Cranky Book. I can't wait to read this. I think this might be a good one to read out loud to students in the library. It looks hilarious. Quickly, we have got amazing nonfiction to show you. I know a lot of you are going to be excited about 2 new Pokemon nonfiction books that we have to add. We have a biography about a woman named Mary Myers. She was, this took place a long time. She lived a long time ago. She was very into aeronautics and hot air balloons and flying, and it's a story about her life. So interesting. We have got the next in the series, the Butt or Face series. Do you guys remember that book? So funny. We've got the next one, Butt or Face, Revenge of the Butts. I hope you love this book. We have got The Year in Sports from 2024. We have got an adorable book about baby hedgehogs, famous Patrick Mahomes. We have got a great new book, The Secret Life of Bigfoot. We have got a book about saber-toothed cats. This one I think looks really cool. It's called Summertime Sleepers. So it's all about animals who don't hibernate, because hibernation takes place during the winter, but they estivate, and so they rest when it's really hot outside. So I think this is really interesting. I know a few of you might want to check out this new Taylor Swift book. We have got a great book about gibbons to add to our library. We have got a new Minecraft book all about using tools in the game of Minecraft. This looks fantastic. Nick Bishop has got great nonfiction books. This is all about marsupials. Turn and talk to a friend if you know what a marsupial is, and if you don't, you should ask your teacher. I think this book looks amazing. The illustrations are beautiful. It's called Extinctopedia. It's all about animals that have gone extinct. It has beautiful you can see it's a Smithsonian book. It has beautiful illustrations about animals that are no longer with us on the planet. It talks a little bit about them and what we've learned about them. But again, the pictures are so cool. There's a lot of great new information. Well, it's not new information, but new to you information. Finally, the book a lot of you have been waiting for, a Where's Waldo Wonder book. Miss Letourneau, that's it. I mean, we are so lucky to have you choosing all of these amazing books for our library, Miss Letourneau. Our boys and girls here at Washington Henry are in luck. They've got so many fun ones to choose from, so I can't wait for them to check them out. Friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go ahead and like it. Leave a comment, and we'll see you back when we've got more books to share.